I want to evaluate 10 take away negative 10. We have adjacent signs here. The only thing between these adjacent signs is the bracket, and strictly speaking, the bracket doesn't need to be there. So the adjacent negative signs are absolutely next to each other. If we have two negative signs next to each other, that makes a positive sign. So we have actually here 10 plus 10, which is just 20. The rule to remember is adjacent positives and adjacent negatives give us a positive. So if the signs are the same, we end up with a positive. Adjacent positives and negatives in any order will give us a negative. Now our adjacent signs are a plus and a minus. So a positive and a negative means we have a negative. So this becomes 14 take away 8, which is just 6. Now I have negative 3 take away negative 5. Adjacent negative signs become a plus, so that's negative 3 add 5. Using a number line, if negative 3 is here, 0 is here, I know that adding 3 will get us to 0, but we're adding 5, so we have another 2 to add, and that would take me to 2. So negative 3 add 5 is 2. Now we have negative 5, add negative 2, take away negative 10. It's important to note that this negative here cannot affect any of the other signs because there's a 5 in between. It's only the adjacent signs that are affected. So let's sort those out first. So the negative 5 is just here. Plus and a minus, so that's going to become minus 2. Then we have take away negative 10. The two minus signs give us a plus. If we put the two negatives together here, negative 5 take away 2 is negative 7, and then we're adding 10. That's exactly the same as doing 10 take away 7, since the 10 is positive, the 7 negative. So that gives me 3. Here we have 8 plus negative 10 take away negative 2. Let's sort out the adjacent signs first. Plus and a minus gives us a minus. Minus and a minus gives us a plus. Put the positives together first. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and then we're taking away 10, and 10 take away 10 is 0.